Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Let's Code. In this video, we are going to download and install Python for both 32 and 64-bit operating system. Before starting this video, do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notified. Now, let's continue the part. Open your favorite browser and type Python. Click on the first link, welcome to python.org. Now, go to the download section and click on Windows as we are going to install Python for Windows. Now we need Python 3.9.5, not the Python 2, but we need Python 3. So click on Python 3 release Python 3.9.5. Now this is the latest version available at the time of recording this video. Scroll down to the bottom in the file section. There you can find two installer, Windows installer for 32 and 64-bit. Now, if you don't know which bit operating system is your, go to your desktop, open this PC. Now right click and click properties. Here you can find the system type. In my case, it is 64-bit operating system. So I'm going to click Windows installer 64-bit and it will automatically download the program file. Now, as you can see, the file has been downloaded. Now let's open in the folder. This is Python 3.9.5 installer file which we have downloaded. Just double click and here in this dialog box you want to make sure you have to click both the checkboxes, that is add Python 3.9 to path. If you miss this, then you will get an error whenever you run the program, Python not recognized. So to avoid that, you have to make sure you have checked both these boxes and then click on install now. Accept yes, and then the setup has been started. Now this will take some time to install. By that time, have you watched my latest video on how to convert an image to a pencil sketch by using Python? If not, you can check that video in the I button, or you can find the link in the description. Now the setup is almost complete. It's taking its bit more time. There you go. Finally the setup was successful. Now let's verify whether the Python has installed in our system. So for that, open command prompt and type Python space dash dash version. There you can see Python 3.9.5. This means Python has been installed and it is successfully running in our system. So I hope you guys have understood how to download and install Python in Windows operating system. This process is purely based for 64-bit. You can download 32-bit installer and you can follow the same steps which I have used to install. So I hope you understood. Do subscribe, do like and comment your thoughts. If you have any doubts regarding the installation, you can comment below. I will get you in touch. Till then, take care and bye.